Hello everyone, my name is Prashant Thode. I am from Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation in BCA. After completing my graduation, I got to know about Eugene Technoserve, where I have learned about IT infrastructure support and learn topics like CCNA, networking, and Windows Administrator. Thanks to the Eugene team, I got placed in ProSol IT, which has a client Media Assist and located in Hyderabad. I got a decent package because of Eugene, and I like to thanks uh, the all Eugene team, especially the placement team and the teaching staff. The teaching staff is very much motivating and it helps you grow your career in very less time. I'm sure anyone who is looking for the grow their career in IT, they should definitely check out Eugene Technoserve 45 days job training program. And once again, thank you, Priya ma'am, Anamika ma'am, and Prince sir. Thank you.